Kavine here, and today will be a prank video. Today I'm gonna attempt to do the even though the music is so goddamn loud, but today I will be attempting to do the having another man as my phone screen prank on Courtney. And so the man I chose was Micheal B. Jordan, and so I can't wait to get his reaction if I can find somewhere to plop it. So right now he's in the kitchen, he's making breakfast, so I can't wait for you to do a little prank here. Alright, bye-bye. Okay guys, so I need to find a place to put the camera, but I think I found the perfect picture. This is Micheal B. Jordan, so I'm gonna put it as both my phone screen and my lock screen. So I kind of want to see how babe react, but it's just like I don't know where to put the damn camera, so it can't fit nowhere really. But I want to see his reaction, and I'm trying.
Just like it. Come here, babe. Babe. I just got it. Come here now.
What?
I can't hear it. Turn on the music.
What?
I just thought that it was cute.
Yeah. You put on next month. You don't put on next month.
What's it doing now?
What?
I can't hear you.
I'm a thought loader. Hey. You remove your man and put on next month. What that show it?
Babe, it's not funny.
So what? Yeah,
Micheal, like what?
and any idea? Me I look upset now. You see, our next man, I think the next man look cute. Shirtless on your phone screen. That's what I want for kids. That I want to see. No, me engage to somebody. Me engage to somebody. And like that, get up on your phone screen. Man, that's everybody fucking see.
No, babe, no, you can't do that. Babe, come here.
No, I'm not taking, not call me.
I'm gonna change
I'm
it.
not responding to what change or not. You done the damage already, no?
Come here now. Let me change it. Come here.
And I think put your man on next man. That's get the distracted.
Huh?
It's a prank. Oh god, I hope it was recording, babe. You got pranked, babe.
Sorry.
Babe, you get pranked, man.
I'm not even joking. Move.
Babe, how you feel? It's your first prank. See, me know it's a prank couldn't last with him, guys, because I'm very short-tempered and the video was very short. But babe, you really think somebody that put that next man as my screensaver? You're my number one. Like, you're the sexiest to me, babe. But the music is gonna ruin my video. So guys, back in Jamaica in my first prank. He doesn't think it's funny still, but no, I say going out life, yeah, man. You have to just take some chances. But obviously Courtney didn't feel like it was funny, and he had one too many words to say. I just hope you guys could have seen it. My camera looked a little weird. Why? But anyway, that's it, guys. See y'all soon.